On an ordinary morning, danger could arrive without warning. A predator watches from behind the vegetation. The herd continues feeding. One young dinosaur moves farther from the adults. The chase begins. The young dinosaur runs. The herd scatters. Adults turn and attempt to defend the vulnerable youngster. For the predator, speed and surprise are everything. For the herd, cooperation may be their greatest weapon. After a tense struggle, the predator abandons the attack. The herd survives, at least for today. Water was the heart of prehistoric life. Rivers provided drinking water, vegetation, and shelter. Here, different species could encounter one another. Herbivores gathered along the banks. Predators searched the shallows, and above them, flying reptiles crossed the ancient sky. The skies were already filled with remarkable creatures. Although they were not dinosaurs, pterosaurs were close relatives that evolved an extraordinary ability: powered flight. Dinosaurs also faced one of nature's greatest challenges: raising the next generation. Eggs had to be protected, hatchlings had to survive, and young dinosaurs had to grow quickly enough to escape predators. For a newborn dinosaur, the world was immediately dangerous. Predators could be nearby, food could be scarce. Extreme weather could threaten the entire nest. Only the strongest and luckiest would reach adulthood. But the greatest danger to life was not always another dinosaur. Earth itself was constantly changing. Climate shifted, sea levels rose and fell, volcanoes erupted, continents moved, species appeared, adapted, and disappeared. For millions of years, dinosaurs survived these changes. Generation after generation, they continued to evolve. Then, approximately 66 million years ago, the world changed forever. A massive asteroid struck Earth. The impact released enormous amounts of energy. Fires spread across vast regions. Dust and debris entered the atmosphere. Sunlight was dramatically reduced. Plants began to disappear. And as the plants disappeared, the animals that depended on them began to suffer. Food chains collapsed. Many species vanished. The age of the giant non-avian dinosaurs was coming to an end. But the story of dinosaurs did not completely end. One branch survived. Birds are living dinosaurs, the descendants of ancient theropods. Every time a bird flies across the sky, it carries a tiny piece of the dinosaur age into our modern world. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs lived, evolved, hunted, reproduced, and ruled ecosystems across the planet. They survived enormous environmental changes. They became some of the largest and most extraordinary animals ever to walk on Earth. Their reign eventually ended, but their legacy remains. Beneath our feet, inside museums, in fossils, and even in the birds above our heads, the ancient world is still with us. The dinosaurs are gone, but their story will never disappear.